welcome back to my channel, sending light and love every Tuesday and Saturday. Today we are celebrating the hardest milestone, celebrating 100 subscribers on Annapurna, the art of cooking. So I started this journey on February, and from then there was no looking back. Memories started up, building up, and they are still continuing. I started creating videos and you people started liking them. And yes, your wonderful comments always made my day. New members started joining in, and I am so thankful to each one of you. And then we started making series on my channel. And every small milestone was an achievement. We went from 25 subscribers to 40 and then 50. And now finally we are at 100. And we have a long way to go.
लीजिए कोफ्ते बनकर रेडी हो चुके हैं। ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट और डिलीशियस बने हैं। अब आप इसे बनाइए, खाइए और अपने अनुभव मुझसे शेयर कीजिए। प्लीज़ फॉलो मी ऑन द इंस्टाग्राम, लाइक माई वीडियोज़, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। टिल देन, गुड बाय।
So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And yes, that's all till now. Thank you everyone.